Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is off and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental airbag deployment. Next, center your front wheels and lock the steering column. Gather your tools, including a small flathead screwdriver, a Torx bit, and a socket wrench, to make the process smooth and efficient. Now let's tackle the airbag. On the sides of your steering wheel, you'll find small access holes. Use a flathead screwdriver or a pick tool to push in the retaining clips through these holes. Once released, gently pull the airbag module forward. Disconnect the two electrical connectors by pressing their tabs, then set the airbag aside in a safe place, face up. With the airbag safely out of the way, you'll see a large center nut holding the steering wheel in place. Use a suitable socket wrench to loosen this nut, but do not remove it completely. Leaving it partially threaded will prevent the steering wheel from flying off when you pull it. Before pulling, mark the steering wheel and shaft for proper alignment during reinstallation. Finally, with the nut loosened, you can now pull the steering wheel off the shaft. You might need to wiggle it gently or apply firm, even pressure. Once it's free, carefully guide it off, ensuring no wires get snagged. Now you can fully remove the center nut and store your steering wheel in a safe place, ready for whatever project you have planned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.